What will speak? Huh? Hare why Srila Rupa Goswami Pad quoted the name of Sanaka Sanatana. Rupa Goswami is very humble. He is saying, I can't to glorify the sweet activities, pastimes of Srimati Radhika. I am not qualified. Only Sanak Sanatan, 4 Kumaras, Sanak Sanatan, Sanatan and Sanak Kumar, 4 Kumaras. They can glorify about sweet pastimes of Srimati Radhika. This is the humility, humbleness of Rupa Goswami. Because who can glorify to sweet amorous pastimes of Srimati Radhika? One who control his sense. Understand? Only he can glorify sweet amorous pastimes of Srimati Radhika. Because Sanat Sanatan, Sanat Kumar, 4 Kumaras, they are the son of Brahmaji. Brahmaji's Manas. And they are very learned and scholar also. And they know all kinds of Tattva Siddhanta. And they are very qualified. And they celebrate their life. And they are perfect brahmachari. Only perfect brahmachari can glorify about the sweet amorous pastimes of Srimati Radhika. And they learn all Shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad direct from his father Brahmaji. Because in this verse, Rupa Goswami Pad explained who can glorify to Srimati Radhika's highest prem. They have learned and scholar. That means Sarva Shastra Ved. Those who have vast of knowledge, all the scripture, Sarva Shastra. Understand? And they control their senses. 4 Kumaras, they learn all Shastra from Brahmaji. And when their Shastra finished, learning finished, Shastra Vidya finished, then 4 Kumaras, they asked Brahmaji, "Oh my father, what will do now?" That time Brahmaji told, you have to enter in household life. And creation the generation. Praja system. Then 4 Kumaras, they very humble asked, Father, tell to us which ashram is the best. You tell me honestly. Understand? No duplicity, no hypocrisy. You tell us which ashram is the best. Then Brahmaji told, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Banprastha and Sannyas, four ashram. And so Brahmachari and ashram is the best. Not only this Brahmachari, Sannyasam, Sirasing, Mama. Sannyas ashram is the best ashram. First Brahmachari, then Grihastha, then Banprastha and Sannyas. So Sannyasam Sirasi Mama. Sannyas ashram manifested from Lord's forehead. Head. Mastak. So sannyas ashram is the best. And very easy to meditate to Lord and attain to. Grihastha ashram, very difficult. Not so easy. And so much also controlled senses. And also her mind always anxiety and anxiousness. Not so easy to balance your life. And also many kinds of duty and responsibility. Grihastha ashram means so many duty and responsibility. This is true or wrong? Not so easy. Or sannyas means sammak rupe ranasam with sannyas. Give up all the attachments and duty and responsibilities. Then very easy to concentrate your mind. This is true. So Shastra also saying Sannyasam Sirasi Mama. Lord says the sannyas ashram manifested from my sira. Sira means my head. So that time 4 Kumaras, so we have to take sannyas. And meditate to Brahma, how to merge in. Then Brahma, I think if they meditate Brahma and merge in Brahma, they will never return back. Then the Brahmaji, he prayed to Lord Vishnu. Hey Lord Vishnu, please save my 4 sons, 4 Kumaras. Then Lord Vishnu sent his sweet fragrance of tulasi, which offered in his lotus feet. Then that sweet fragrance of tulasi makarandha entered in the nostrils of 4 Kumaras. Then 4 Kumaras, they gave off their meditation, how to march in Brahma. Then they ran towards Vaikuntha. Then 4, what is got 2 Durgapars, Joy and Vijay, stopped to them. So Rupa Goswami Pad is saying in this verse, I am not like 4 Kumaras. In transcendental world, Aparagita Chit Jagat. 4 Kumaras, always they glorify the sweet pastimes of divine Radhan. Sanak Sanghita also explain this. Sadashiv and four Kumaras, they always discuss about sweet amorous pastimes of different Radha. Sometimes four Kumaras, they discuss sweet amorous pastimes with Brinda Devi. Because four Kumaras, they always absorb with the sweet pastimes of divine couple Radha and because they are brahmachari and they also celebrate their life and completely sacrifice their life to Lord. And Arupa Goswami Pad very humble, he is saying, I did many service to Muslim courtiers, Hussain Sahab. And my mind, my body mind also contaminated with the association of the Muslim. This is his humility. This is not. But he is humble. But Sanak Sanatan, four Kumaras, their mind not contaminated with any kinds of activity. They never associate with Visai, materialist. Their mind always absorbed with different Radha. Or Shastra, who can discuss Radha Krishna's sweet pastime? One's heart is completely free from all kinds of material desire. No any kinds of spot material desires in their heart. No any Visai Gandha, smell of material. You understand? He is qualified. So four Kumaras, they control their senses and they never associate with Visai. Rupa Goswami Pad is very humble compared himself. I associate with the Visai. Visai, understand? Materialistic. Because I am the what is called financial minister of King Hussain Sahab. But four Kumaras, they never associate it with any kinds of Visai material. So they are qualified. And Sanak Sangita very nicely glorified. And Brinda Devi, the conversation of Brinda Devi and four Kumar. And their hearts, four Kumar's heart, never also, what's it? Vikriya. Vikriya means no transformation. Never heart, never hesitate with any material. For this regard, here Rupa Goswami Pad very humble explain. I am not qualified to glorify about Srimati Radha. Because Srimati Radha Tattva is very, very confident. Even Brahmaji, he told, oh my sons, listen. 60,000 years I perform hard state. And I want to know about Radha Tattva. But not possible. How many years, Brahmaji? perform hard austerities 60,000 years. 60,000 but not possible. Because Radha Tattva is very, very confident. Understand? Radhaji's one name is called Durga. In this material world, and who protects this jail of Maya, that is called Durga. Transcendental world, Radhaji's one name is also Durga. There is one Upanishad, name is called, what is it called? Radha Upanishad. Radha Upanishad. And also another Upanishad called Durga Upanishad. Why her name is called Durga? Durgeno, one who performed hard austerity and received the sprinkle saddle of glands of Srimati Radhika, may he something realize about her, others not. And Srimati Radhika always is also hide Krishna in her inner court, in her inner court. Not so easy to understand about her and also Krishna. So for this regard, her name is called Durga also. Durga means is what? Another Durga means protect. Protects. And four walls protect. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she protects to Krishna in her inner court. And no one can also realize about him. So here Rupa Goswami Pada explain, I am very humble. I cannot glorify our Radha. Who will qualify Radha Tattva? Only four Kumaras. The conversation between, what is called, four Kumaras and Brinda Devi, or they also glorify. They have from morning to evening, evening to morning, they always glorification about Srimati Radhika. The Ashtakalin Leela is there. Sadasiv told to four Kumaras. Ashtakalin Leela. And glorified about the jivas and own transcendental constitution form. You have very nice, beautiful transcendental constitution form. That is called, what is called? Sarup. You have very nice, beautiful form. And if you are the Madhurya Rasa, then your form, Gopi form. And very nice, beautiful form. That is called Atmadhyana. Atmadhyana, understand? Meditation of your transcendental constitution form. Atmadhyana. You read Bhajan Rahasya Grantha, and also Gurudev mentioned Atma. This body is your gross body. In this gross body, another body, that is called subtle, Sukshma Sarira. In this Sukshma Sarira, then another body, that is called Siddha Dev. You have transcendental concept form. So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, then you realize your own Siddha Deha Parichaya. Then you meditate about your transcendental concept of Siddha Deha. Tasang madhye manorama nana alankara vibhusita. Your body is very beautiful and attractive. Among of all the gopis, your body is very beautiful. And your body very nicely decorated with different kinds of ornaments. Nana alankara vibhusi. You are not this body. All of them say this body is called, what is it called? Plastic bag. Stool, plastic bag. Yesterday I told this body is always useless. But you have very nice, beautiful transcendental constitutional form. You have Siddha. That is called Siddha Deha Dhyan. Meditate of your Siddha. Tasang madhye manorama nana alankaro vibhusitam. Very nice, beautiful form you have. Very nice, beautiful choti si gopi you have. Who told this katha? Sadasiv. He told to 4 Kumaras. Then this katha also again discussed with Brindadevi, Sadasiv, sometimes Brindadevi, also 4 Kumaras. And also glorified the Ashtakali Radha Krishna's Ashtakali Leela katha. First Leela is that Nishanta Leela. The end of night. Nishanta. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he glimpsed a little bit how qualified sadhak meditate Krishna's, Radha Krishna's Ashtakalin Leela. In Bhajan Rahasya explain. Read Bhajan Rahasya now. You have to read Bhajan Rahasya. Actually, this is the due part of what is called the Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. This is called the due part of Harinam Chintamani. Harinam Chintamani, last part, Harinam Chintamani. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this Grantha, Harinam Chintamani. The last part of Harinam Chintamani, that is called Bhajan Rahasya. This little bit I also manifested one for the jewels of the heart. All Tattva. If you read jewels of the heart, then all Tattva, all Bhajan Rahasya, everything. You read or not? You read this Grantha. What is the Grantha? Bhajan Rahasya. Harinam, this is called jewels of the heart. I gave all the evidence from the Shastra. You understand? Bhajan Rahasya, the jewels of the heart. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained also this katha in his, what is called, Bhajan Rahasya Grantha, and Nishanta Leela, and Pratakalin Leela, Morning Leela, Divi. So for this regard, just I also explain Radhi Jaya Jaya Madhava Dai. Gokula Torani Mandala Mahita. Rupa Goswami Pad, very humble. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Dai Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahita. How Srimati Radhika? She also intoxicated with her beauty and her quality. And all the young girls of Vrindavan associate with. And showing this. So for this regard, last verse is saying, I am not qualified. Who is qualified? Sanak Sanandan Sanatana and Sanat Kumar. Actually, who is Rupa Goswami? Is Rupa Manjari. Very near dearest of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Rupa Manjari, who is Rupa Manjari? Srimati Radhika's roop manifested in the form of Rupa Manjari. Understand? Ananda Chenima Rasa Pratibha Vistar Bhujava Nija Rupa Taya Kalabhi. Srimati Radhika, she manifests one form of his Rupa. That is called Rupa Manjari. Understand? So Rupa Manjari, she is not ordinary lady. Srimati Radhika's direct manifestation of her Rupa form. So, but Rupa Manjari very humble, but Rupa Goswami very humble saying this verse. I am not qualified. Who is qualified? Four Kumaras. This is called his humility. Actual four Kumaras, they are called Shantara. Understand? Rupa Goswami by Rupa Manjari, Madhurja and Manjari are very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, Rupa Manjari, she always serves to Srimati Radhika, very close to Srimati Radhika. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma Krishnana Bhujarpita Mastakaya Ha Madhita Kanaka Guri Padar Vindan Sanvyani Sanakais Tavakim Karish. Raghunath Das Goswami. Beloved Kusmanjali, very humble, praying lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. Hey Rupa Manjari, please give me this service. How to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. All our Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are always proud and taking the name of Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. For this regard, all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, what did they say? Rupanuga Vaishnava. That means they want to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Without the mercy of Rupa Manjari, you cannot get the service, the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And if you want to serve lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, you have to surrender to Rupa Manjari. But how will you get Rupa Manjari? You cannot direct go to Rupa Manjari. So what will do? So for their Narottam Das Thakur, he sang one song. What do you say? Suni ache sadhu mukhe bali sarva jana sirupe ro ki pai mile जुगल चरण है गीत गुचरण सुनियाची साधु मुखे बले सर्वज and Nattam Das Thakur very humbly say, I heard the glories of Sri Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. सुनियाची साधुमुखे बले सर्वज श्री रूपेर कृपाय मिले जुगल चरण. Only the causes mercy of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari, then we get the service, the lotus feet of divine couple Radha and Krishna. So that means our Gaudiya Vaishnava, that is called Rupanugatta Bhajan. Serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So Nattam Das Thakur, very humble, he also singing this song. Kabe loko natha more sange laya jabe श्रीरूपेर पाद पद में मोरे समर्पिबे हेन की होइबे मोर नर्म सखी गणे अनुगत नरोत्तमे करिबे शासने. They are saying in this verse. And when my Gurudev, Lokanath Das Goswami, Nattam Das Thakur Guru, Lokanath Das Goswami. Lokanath Das Goswami translation comes from that is called Manjulal. When my Gurudev take me and offer the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami. Understand? You cannot, your Gurudev not direct give to service to Srimati Radhika. Gurudev brings his where? To Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari will give the service, the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Understand? So saying, Kabe loko natha more sange laya jabe Shirupero pad pad me more samarpive. When my Gurudev and Manjulali hold my hand and offer the lotus feet of who? Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari, you will give the service lotus feet Srimati Radha. But before to serve to lotus feet of service to lotus feet of Radhika, then all the Sakhi, Lalita, Vishakha, all they will be very nice to train to you. You want to serve to Srimati Radhika, not so easy. You have to learn all things from Lalita, Vishakha, and all the Sakhis. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur sing this song. What is song? Palladasi kari lalita sundari amare laiya kabe Sri Radhika pade kale milaibe आज्ञा से बासामार पीवे आज्ञा से बासामार पीवे आज्ञा से बासामार पीवे हमारे लैया कबे. When Lalita Devi, she will give me chance to serve to Srimati. How? Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi, she is very humble and so kind. Lalita Ashtakam, just we recited Lalita Ashtakam. Jang kamopi brajakuli visabhanu jaya just your desire will come. I want to become the maid servant Srimati Radhika. This types of just smell coming in the ears of Lalita Devi. Then Lalita Devi, she will accept in her group Lalita Argan. Then Lalita Devi, she will give training how to serve to Srimati Radhika. Understand? If you sing Palladasi Kari Lalita Sundari Amare Loiya Kave Sri Radhika Pade Kale Milaibi Agga Seva Samarpibe Agga Seva Samarpibe Agga Seva Samarpibe Amare Loiya Kave. Lalita Devi, she will give very nice train how to serve Agga Seva. And Agga Seva means how Srimati Radhika, she is giving the order and serve her lotus feet. Then Visakha Devi, she will give another training to you. Visakha Devi, she will give what service she will give? She will Sri Visakha Pade Sangita Sekhiva. Then I will learn all kinds of tune of melody. That is called Sangit Vidya. Sangit Vidya, understand? How to play harmonium, how to play mridanga, kartal, veena, guitar. So then Visakha Devi, she will give training and how to play different kinds of instruments. This thing. So Sri Visakha Pade Sangita Sekhi. When you train, then you will come to Rupa Manjari. Understand? Without the recommendation of Sarup Damodar, mane Lalita Devi, no one can go there. Radha Ji Seva, you want to say Radha Seva, not so easy. You are thinking, take Rasgulla. Not so easy. Step by step. So here he is saying, Narottam Dasan, Kave Loko Natha More Sangelaya Jave, Sirupe Pad Padme More Samat. Hanake Hoibe more, Norma Sukhi Gane, Anugata Narottame Koribe Sasani. Then when you train, and perfect train, all the subject, then Rupa Goswami, when Rupa Manjari will accept. Okay, come. Rupa Manjari, she will give service. And for the service. Okay, you also what is called service to bed of Srimati Radhika, the Kusum Sajja. Hare Kusum Sajja. Sajja means a bed of petals of rose. Where Srimati Radhika, she is sleeping on the bed. Here Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, also saying this. So under guidance of Rupa Manjari, then I also made very nice, beautiful, and what is it called? And bed of Srimati Radhika with the petals of rose. Then Srimati Radhika, she came to take rest on her bed of rose and Kusum Sajja. Then Srimati Radhika asked Rupa Manjari, "Hey Rupa Manjari, today who built this and Kusum Sajja? Kusum Sajja, understand? The bed of rose, petal of rose." And then Rupa Manjari very humble and saying, "I don't know." And one very nice, beautiful, young and Choti si Gopi, she has come. Then Srimati Radhika asked, "Who is that Gopi?" And called to her. Then Narottam Das Thakur, Anubilas Manjari. And one of the saying, his own translation calls one. Then I very afraid. Oh, maybe this bed is not good for Srimati Radhika. So I'm very shy and afraid. And hide on the back of Rupa Manjari. And then Srimati Radhika, "Hey, Choti si Gopi, come. And Srimati Radhika's heart melted and tears rolling down. And patting my back. And Narottam Das Thakur saying, "Oh, you did this very nice, beautiful Kusum Sajja." And then Srimati Radhika asked, "What is her name?" Huh? Then Rupa Manjari told, "I don't know her name." Huh? Manju Lali ani dilo ei nava dasi. Manju Lali, she brought me, and so I also engaged to serve your bed Kusum Sajja. Then Srimati Radhika said, "Oh, she did a very nice service." Huh? Understand? Again, Srimati Radhika patting on the back of Anu Vilas Manjari. That's Narottam. And in this way, and we can get service, the Lord Srimati Radhika, under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari, she is very near dear to Srimati Radhika. For the Kavi Karnapur quoted this verse, Priyasa Swarupe, Daita Swarupe. And Srimati Radhika is very near and dear. Priyasa Swarupe, Daita Swarupe. Understand? So try to understand. If you want to service to Srimati Radhika, long process. First, Guru, central lotus feet of Guru. Brajarasi Guru. Not ordinary Guru cannot give this. Even Guru is Dasara, Sakara, Vatsalara. That Guru cannot give to you. Those Guru are very high class Madhurya Rasa. And that Guru should be Manjari Bhav Guru. Understand? If Guru is not Manjari Bhav Guru, also not. So far there are Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami composed one verse. Tammularpana Padamardana Payudana Visade Vindarana Mahisari Prana Fishta Sakikala Sankochita Bhumika Rupa Manjari Tadasika Ahang Sangsrait. This is very confidential service. So Srimati Radhika. And where the what is called inner court of the chamber of Srimati Radhika. Where only manjaris are there, or all manjaris are not there. Some special manjaris are in there. Understand? Not understand. Because Srimati Radhika's seva is there. Srimati Radhika's service is going on. Even Lalita Visakha, they are called Pranaprashta Sakhi, very highest rank of the Sakhis. That is called Pranaprashta Sakhi. Lalita Visakha means Ashta Sakhis means they also almost same level of Srimati Radhika. Even this Lalita Visakha, this Sakhi, they are not easy to come in that confidential and in our chamber and Srimati Radhika. Only some special and manjaris, they are staying with Srimati Radhika. And they are very easy to coming and going and inside the inner chamber of Srimati Radhika. And even Lalita Visakha, they want to enter in that the inner chamber of Srimati Radhika. They have to take permission from Rupa Manjari or Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari service also so sweet. This is very confidence. Understand? Ananga Manjari service to Srimati Radhika, very, very confident. If I tell, you may not understand, sometimes confused. How possible? Yes, our Goswami explained. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Saptam Goswami, Kamal Manjari explained. Ananga Manjari service the best than other Sakhi. Ananga Manjari service, Ananga Manjari is very near and dear to Srimati Radhika, because Ananga Manjari, she is the sister of younger sister Srimati Radhika. So Ananga Manjari service, very confident. But we are discussing about Rupa Manjari Katha. So saying in this way, verse, Raghunath Das Goswami quoted. Tammula Arpano Pado Mordono Payu Dana Ubisaradivi. They have many kinds of service in there. And Tammula Arpan, and offering the betel nuts to Srimati Radhika. Tammula Arpan. Pado Mordanam, massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And Payodano, offering water to Srimati Radhika. Tammula Pado Mordanam Payodano, Obisar. When Srimati Radhika ran for to meet with her beloved Krishna, that time only two manjaris and side by side they are going with Srimati Radhika. Not everybody going with Srimati Radhika, only two manjaris, but one manjari sometimes. Only two, but sometimes one. Understand? Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she checks with her, maybe Rupa Manjari or maybe Rati Manjari. So saying, Tammula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Ubhisara Devi Bindarana Mahesar Prana Prashta Sakhi Kila Sankojita Bhumika Rupa Manjari. And so I'm saying because here Lalita Vishakha, the same level of Srimati Radhika, they cannot direct, they can easy to enter in the chamber. Huh? If they want to enter Lalita Vishakha, they have to take permission from Rupa Manjari or Ananga Manjari. Huh? If Rupa Manjari tell, no, now my Samini Srimati Radhika, she is taking rest. That time Lalita Vishakha cannot enter in the inner chamber. Understand? So the prana prashta sakhi kala sankochita bhumika. So now coming the Ham Singh saying this types of service is going on. Manjari Bhav Seva. How Manjaris they are servicing to Srimati Radhika and very confidential and open heart. Sometimes Srimati Radhika she open her heart in front of Lalita Vishakha. But Srimati Radhika she open her heart in front of Manjari. Understand? Yes. Sometimes you cannot open your heart in front of your parents, mother, father. You can open your heart in front of your very confidential Sakhi. Do you understand? Sometimes you are shy to even you tell you in front of your mother. But you can open your heart in front of your very nearest and dearest Sakhi. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she opened her heart in front of Rupa Manjari or Ananga Manjari. So now coming in this way, then when the what is called Narottam Das Thakur, Anubilas Manjari, made very nice, beautiful Kusum Sajja, the bed of petals of rose. Then Srimati Radhika very pleased. Then Srimati Radhika told, who made this? That time Rupa Goswami told, my Rupa Manjari told, and what is called Manju Lali. She brought this new Sakhi. Then Srimati Radhika very pleased with her. Also many leelas. I this is enough for you. Some greed will come in your heart, then your life will be successful. Everything I will explain, my jewels of the heart. You read? If you read jewels of the heart, no need to others granth. All granthas inside in there. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal in money, and everything is there. Even the Manjari Bhav, everything is in there. And all Tattva, Siddhanta, everything is there. Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti, Rupanuga Bhakti, Rupanuga Bhakti also explained. If you read this Granth, your heart will overjoy. and you have no taste to read in others Grantha. Very sweet Grantha. And this Grantha translated in many languages. Many devotees hear it. And Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Ruski. Chinese devotee also they are translated. They don't give read, then what is the Rasmayadhurja Grantha? And Tattva Siddhanta also, not only Rasa, melody. Tattva Siddhanta, philosophy, and everything. And because if you chant holy names, these types of Tattva and Rasa automatically manifest in your heart. Good Premanandi. What is your question?
Да, вопрос проповедования. Храм
This is the called the how to preach the people. Establish temple, printing books. This is called the preaching. That is called Brihat Mridangas. Understand? This is the. But you have to learn all Shastra, Tattva Siddhanta with the association of sadhu, Vaishnavas. You have to learn. If you don't know anything, what will do? So should learn Shastra, Tattva, Siddhanta. And simultaneously, you also establish temple service to Thakurji. But mostly, you give attention how to associate high class, exalted brothers, sadhu. Do you understand? Or if you not associate sadhu, not listen Hari Katha, not deeply enter your bhajan and sadhana, then what happens? And another things also, if you follow the instruction of Guru, if Guru will please, then all Tattva Siddhanta, everything will manifest in heart. Huh? Condition is there. Absolutely surrender lotus feet of Guru. Then all Tattva Siddhanta, everything, manifest in your heart. That is called Guru Seva. Guru Sususwa, Guru Seva. Guru Seva is very important. Guru Seva, follow the instruction of Guru. Guru says, sit down here, sit down. Guru says, go to the market, go to the market. Understand? When you become as like prophet of Guru. Prophet, understand? The doll, with a small, what is called? Stand. Then doll also raise hand. Actually, this here. And inside one person, he also control the everything. In the same way, when you will be complete as like prophet, understand, doll of Guru. Then automatically everything is manifest. That's it. That is why you completely surrender to Guru and give up your own independency, Satantra. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained this. Conditioned soul, not so easy to give up his own independency, Satantra. So Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained this. When will we completely receive the mercy of Guru? When you completely surrender to Guru and give up all my independency, lotus feet of Guru. Understand? You understand?
Right.
Yeah, Guru will give instruction. But that Guru should be bona fide Guru. Not Boghas Guru. To be nonsense Guru cannot. Guru should be bona fide. And bona fide, one who performs bhajan is sadhana. Or if Guru not doing bhajan sadhana, no tattva siddhanta, nothing, how possible that Guru helped you? So Prahlad Maharaj, he quoted two verses. And heavy chastisement, the bona fide stupid nonsense Guru. Learn this sloka. Matirna Krishne Paroto Satuba Mithu Vipadde Grihabratanam Adanta Gobi Visatang Tamisam Punah Chachorbita Charvananam Nati vidusarthang gating Vishnu durasaya je bhairarthamaninam andha jathanda upaniyamana te visantra urudamni baddha. Just I tell to you the essence about these two slokas. Prahlad Maharaj saying this. Matirna Krishne Partosatova Mitho Vipadde Grihabhratanam Adanto Gobi Visatang Tamisram Punah Punascha Chorbita Charmananam. Nati Vidu Sattang Gating Vishnu Durasa Je Bhairarthamanina Andha Jathanda Upaniyamana Trepi Santra Unudamni Baddha. Just I tell to you, I will not explain all slokas these things. One what I say. One blind man cannot lead the another blind. Understand? If the blind man, one blind man lead to another blind man, what happened? Both will fall down in the ditch. Here. That means is what? Bona fide Guru have to shelter Lord bona fide. Who has vast of knowledge, Tattva Siddhanta Shastra can, and also full of Brajaras in. Now you are taking shelter Lord's feet of any Sahaja, Sokhi, Veki, stupid nonsense Guru. That Guru cannot help you. Understand? So saying this word, Andha Jatandya Upanyamana Tepi Santra Urudamni Baddha. Nati Vidu Sattang Gating Vishnu Durasa Ajay Bhairarthamanina Andha Jatan Upanyamana Tepi Santra Urudamni Baddha. Try to understand. So I am saying that Guru should be bona fide. Who has realization. Bona fide means who has realization about divine love of Radha. And he performs bhajan and sadhana and he is giving instruction of his followers. And he gives the love and affection. You understand? So here explain this. You have to follow the instruction of Guru. That Guru, bona fide Guru. If not bona fide Guru, then take shelter of another bona fide Guru. And that Guru should be Nirmatsam Stang. Nirmatsa. No any false ego. Always observe bhajan and sadhana. And his own realization he explained in front of his followers. Understand? And as I know, just I told Narottam Das Thakur, when my Gurudev, Manjulali, Loknath Das Goswami, he will bring to in front of Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami. Then Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari will give service. Understand? You are so lucky. Come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And especially you coming Bhakti Vinod in the line of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Understand? Bhakti Siddhanta Shastri Prabhupada. Then coming Bhakti Vedanta Sai Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pragan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Understand? I am thinking how to surrender to Lotus feet. All will give blessing to me. Understand? So, in this way, come in the line of Chaitanya. And again, bow down forehead, lotus feet of Guru Path. Huh? That's how you have come in the line of Srila Gurudev Nana Goswami Maharaj, Raman Manjari. Huh? So you are lucky or not? So you are very lucky coming in this line. That means you have come in perfect line. Just to sit on the train, then you will achieve your profession goal. Huh? So you are lucky or not? So I inspire to you. Don't go Sahaja Sukhi Bheki here and there. You are on the line. Train. Isn't train running in there on the what is called? Rails. So now we are sitting. Very nice. What is called? Compartment. And very first class. Not low class. Low class. No general. First class first. Yeah. You are so lucky. Understand? So just you close your eyes and chant holy name. And learn Shastra. Not go here and there. One point. One point is Gurudev. Understand? Anima Devi Das ki jai. What is the Manjari? See, nice. Choti si gopi, many gopi. All gopi. Okay, good or not? What is your name, boy? Krishna Das Prabhu ki jai. Your son? His son? Whose son? Her son. Very nice. Good. Good, Prema. Very good. What is it? Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari again manifests in the form of what is called Vishwanath Chakravarti. Who is Ananga Manjari? Maybe you? Are This is not our subject. You do bhajan and sadhan, do you understand? Everything I will tell, so what you will do sadhan bhajan? You have to read Grantha, associate sadhu, listen Hari Katha. This is called sadhan. Sadhan means is what? This thing. That is called self-realization. Self-realization. Guru gives some glimpse, some idea. Then you do sadhan, then you realize. Guru says chant holy name. So if you not chant holy name, how do realization will come? Na Gurudev, kripa karo, give mercy. Hey, mercy I have given to you. You do sadhana or not? So this is the duty of Guru. Give some, what is called, guideline. guideline है ना giving the then do bhajan and sadhana. Yeah, you read. Huh? They're saying Santara. Why not? Everybody can speak. So what happened? That's international. Huh? Hare Krishna will arrange another form. This is not our subject. Something. Understand? The Ashtakali Lila. And four Kumaras and Sadasiv. They discuss. Brinda Devi, Sadasiv Katha also. Don't you think who speaks the Manjari Bhav, he is Manjari? Maybe not. Huh? That means you always not think he speaks very nice high class Katha means he is high class devotee. Sometimes pretending. If you go Radha Kunda, many Babajis, they pretend. Speaks very and confidential pastimes he thing, and also doing bad thing. So that means he is not high class. How do you know he is great devotee? How he is performing bhajan. Realize that. Don't you think though he speaks very high level katha, elaborately, nicely, maybe he is Manjari. You cannot say this. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada in the purport of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sometimes pretending. For the Gaur Govinda Goswami, he told one very nice story. He told, don't become old cat. She cat. Do you understand this story? Do you know? You know this story? One cat, he become very old. But in the house, there's so many mouse. But he cannot catch the mouse. Then old cat is thinking, what to do now? And 3-4 days, I cannot eat mouse. He was very old, cannot jump quick and catch the fish, catch the mouse. Then old cat is thinking, okay, I do another way, how to catch the mouse. Then old cat, then put one tilak, Kanthi mala, took one japa mala, and took one Srimad Bhagavatam, and sitting one corner of the house room, and chanting, close eyes, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Then some mouse, they notice, oh, now this old cat, now she is devotee of. But they are very far, sitting very far. Then old cat also told, hey, mouse, listen my life. My whole life, I committed many sinful acts. I ate meat, fish, everything. In my life, I did not bhajan and sadhana. I don't know how long I will be in this material world. Now I become old. Soon I will die. So for this regard, I am thinking I have to perform bhajan and sadhana. And for this regard, I am now a complete fraud. And what is called vegetarian. And not only take any rice dal also I am not taking. Only some little bit falahar. Falahar understand some fruits I am taking. And always I am chanting holy name. And reading Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad. Now give up my all bad activity. Now I am pure devotee. Then Mausi think it's true. Did she give up her habit? It is true or wrong? But so far these rats, the little mouse, they are a little bit far. But she cat, she chanting holy name, and reading Srimad Bhagavatam, and then everything okay. Then there little bit faith coming. Mouse is thinking maybe mind also change. Before materialistic, now he is pure devotee. Why not? This is possible or not? Maybe this cat, she changed her mind, now is devotee of Lord. Very nice, beautiful, shining tilak. As like moonshine. Very nice, beautiful tilak. And Kanthimala, big Kanthi. Understand? 3 kilo. 3 kilo. And pure tulasi. You can see Vrindavan, many people also doing this. Understand? We are putting very simple, or they are putting you and big also. And Japamala, 5 kilo Japamala. Perfect tulasi. Some they are showing, oh, this Japamala I bought 10,000 rupees. And this very big, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Now the cat is sitting in front of his book Bhagavatam and reading Srimad Bhagavatam. First canto to 9th canto. And he told, hey mouse, come here. Listen Bhagavad Katha. Without listen Bhagavad Katha, life is and listen Bhagavad Katha from me. I am great devotee. Come. Then mouse said, really, he is a real great devotee of Lord. So some they little bit far. And to go, then she told, don't worry. Now I am ready, Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto to 9th. All they also little bit far. Understand? Before she was Masahari. Masahari said, eating the fish meat. And now he is pure devotee. Maybe he will give up his bad habits or not, who knows? Maybe he jumped upon me and catch up. So for these mouse, they are very little bit far. Outside of the door. Listen Hari Katha. Then mouse noticed, oh, this mouse are not coming very close at me. 3 days I completely full fast Ekadashi. What to do? Then cat, she told, listen. Now I am entering Srimad Bhagavatam 10th cat. But this 10th canto Srimad Bhagavat, very, very good. I think all you are not qualified to listen 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam. That all the mouses they go, why not? Why not? No, no, no. Do you know 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam? That is called Prema Tattva is there.
Yeah.
Eh? First canto to 9th canto, that is Sambandha Tattva. This is true or not? Eh? 11th canto, 12th canto, that is called Avidya process. Avidya understand? What is your, how to attain your goal. That is called bhakti. That is called bhakti. Eh? A 10th canto, that is called prayojan tattva, prema prayojan. Eh? I think all you are not qualified. I don't want to speak about Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. Then some monks they are very upset. Nani, Guruji, please give mercy, one drop of mercy. They told, okay, some can come, not everybody. Those who are very skinny mouse, they cannot come. Those are very fat mouse. Mane brahmachari. Come. Understand? Sikhat says very clear. Skinny, eatless. Old skinny mouse, go out. You cannot understand. You can understand Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. Again I will speak 9th canto, 1st canto, 9th canto, then you come. Or when I will speak 11th canto until that you come. Wait. Wait outside. That time very healthy. Mouse there, yes, we are qualified. Okay, come. That time coming. That time see cat. Start to speak Srimad Bhagavatam 10th cat. This is very confident. Kathito Vangsa Vistaro Soma Surjaya Ragam. Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. See Raja Uvacha. That means Parikshit Maharaj asked to Sukadeva Goswami. Kathito Vangsa Vistaro Soma Surjayo. Okay, nice. And this 10th canto katha is very confidential list. If you listen 10th canto Srimad Bhagavat katha, then your heart will overjoy. Saying what? Nibre tathar say upagiyamanat Babu sada stotra mano virama Kauttama sloka gunanubadat Pumana virajit bina pasugnat. Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. This katha. Okay, so now very nice, healthy mouse. They are coming. But still they have faith. Still they are thinking, maybe she will catch us. So, little bit far now. Now she is giving Bhagavat 10th canto Srimad Bhagavat Katha. Then she told that the mouse are sitting very far from me. I cannot jump. I can't to catch them. What to do? Then she told, listen, now I spoke Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 1st chapter to 28th chapter. Krishna Lila Katha, Mini Lila Katha. Dasa Sakha Vatsalya Katha is there. How Mother Jasoda bind to Krishna. Dambandha Lila Katha. Krishna's many sweet pastimes with his friend Subal Siddham. Understand? इत्थं सतं ब्रह्म सुखानुभुत्तं दस्संगतानां परदैवतेन मायाश्रितानां नरदारकेन सार्धं बेजहु कृतपूर्णपुञ्जा. This occurs. How Krishna performs sweet lila, friendship lila with Subal Siddham. Vatsalya Katha, Sakha Lila Katha. In this way, and also many kathas is there. Jaggapatni Katha, Vastarhan Lila, all Lila. Giriraj Dharan Katha, how Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. And another, Krishna how dance on the hoods of Kaliya Nag Katha. Jaggapatni Katha. You know, Krishna's sweet Lila. Now Srimad Bhagavatam and 28th chapter, 10th canto, 28th chapter finished. So she told, listen, now I am going to Rasla. Yes. We want to listen Rasla. Because these are tapas. How gopis they perform Ras dance. How Krishna played the flute. And how gopis they dance. We want to listen. Dhani nachat dekhi, dhani nachat dekhi. Suhag chand badani, dhani nachat dekhi. Suhag chand badani, dhani nachat dekhi. Nachat dekhi, dhani nachat dekhi. How gopis they dance with Krishna. Krishna plays the flute, all the gopis dance. I want to listen. Then she told, no, this is very confident. Rash Lakata, very confident. Only those who are very qualified. I will, and what is it called? Choose. Only they can listen Rash Lila. If all you are not qualified, go. But this Rash Lakata is very confident. No one can listen. Close the windows. Close the door. Because this katha is very confident. Okay, you listen. Maybe 5 or 10 can listen. All you go out. And all you come very close to me. Very close. Because I will speak very nice. You know, I am Uttam Bhagavata. Sometimes also many kinds of Ashtasati Vikar coming. Sometimes you fell down. So please help me. Because sometimes my Mahabhav manifests in my. So all you very close and sit very my close, right side, left side, this front side, back side. When I speak Rashla Katha, I cannot control myself. And when I fell down, what is it called? Fell down, and you also helped me. Because my body always is what is it called? Trembling. And Ashtasati Vikar, Romancha, Kampasu, Vaibhana, Tyashu. Because this is Rashla Katha. That mouse, they are very happy, they are very proud. Yes. Gurudev, don't worry. And we help you. Now she carry thinking. Okay. Now she start Rashla Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 29th chapter. So 29th chapter to 33 chapter, that is called Rasha Panchat. The very confidential katha. Now Sikha is reading. Bhagavano Pitaratri Saradutfulla Mallika. Then looking. They are very close to me or not? Because I am old. I cannot jump very. How to catch to them? They think, hey, come close. Then again, Bhagavano Pitaratri Sarada Utfulla Mallika. Rantu Manaschakre Yoga Maya Mupasritam. Bhagavan Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, now he is performing Rasla with his eternal asset God. How? With his Yoga Maya. Then all the mice, very absorbed. Yes, Gurudev. Nice. Gurudev, Gurudev. We never heard this Rashtra. Gurudev, Gurudev, Gurudev. Okay. Listen, how is Rashla is going? Some gopis are dancing, singing, and some gopis are so much proud with their Subhagama, intoxicated with their great fortune. Because Krishna, he dances very quickly and he goes one gopi to another. Yes, Gurudev, very nice. Then she thinking, Then he jumped and catch one by one mouse. Gurudev, what we are doing? I am embracing you. Then he killed all the cat and eating. 3 days. 3 days he was hungry. Now ate all the mouse. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. For the Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he told this story. Don't become old sea cat. Understand? So do bhajan and chant holy name and learn some shastra. Knowledge of that. So always I inspired to everyone. Please learn shastra. Understand? First you learn his Upadesamrita, Manasiksha, Sikshastra. Learn. How to develop your bhajan and sa. Na khali hu ha. Learn shastra. First. Vacho vegam manaso krodho vegam jiha vegam udaropastha vegam etan vegan ju vishati dhira sarvampi mang prithiving sa sissat. Learn this. Attahara prayasasya prajalpa niyamagraha janasangascha lolancha sadabhi bhakti vinasati utsadhanischa dharjat tat karma pravartanat संगत त्यागा सतो वृत्ति सर्वी भक्ति प्रसिद्धति. Learn Upadesamrita. I inspire even those who are newcomer also I explain, please learn Upadesamrita. Rupa Goswami Pad, he composed these verses in his Nectar of India. Then learn also Manasiksha. Learn some sloka. गुरु गोष्ठे गोष्ठलेषु सुजने भूसुरगणे समन्त्रेषि नाम्नि ब्रजर्बोधदन्द शरण सदा दम्मोहित्वा उदित राम ये शांतभ्राच चोटुभि अभिजाति धृतपद शिक्षा what is called manas then शिक्षाश्चक चेतो दर्पणमार्जनम भव महादाव निर्वापनम श्रेया कैरव चंद्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधू जीवनम आनंदं बुद्धि वर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृत साधनम सर्व आत्मस्नपरम परम विजयति श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तनम नाम when I came in Mathura, Gurudev was always training to us engage to how to learn sloka. And that time we have no time to gossiping. Understand? Always observe to learning sloka. Upadeshamrita manasicha sicha. Gurudev gave many times class also. And morning, midday, and after it is called 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Then again 7 o'clock he gave general class. 4 times he gave class. If brahmachari not recited and commit of memory of the sloka, Gurudev slap. Learn is and service. Chant every day, chant 64 rounds, all brahmachari. That time, chanted 64. Understand? That time, not so much, maybe 10 or 12 brahmachari, we are in Keshavji Gaudiya, Mathura. All they are engaged to service. Understand? Our Premananda Prabhu, or the Shibha, his name? Tirtha Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj, all they are servicing. They have no time to gossiping, going here and and all they are absorbed to service, seva, and learning Shastra, listen Hari Katha. That time was a perfect Madhava. Madhavas understand how to stay in the temple. And not so much also food also there. That time is there. Breakfast only 2 chapati. And some pickles of what is called lemon. Because that time our Keshavji Gaudiya financial condition was not so not so much donation come. Every day I used to go house to house, collect some money, some food. Understand? And I have one bicycle. Going many. Every day I used to go 7:30 morning and coming back 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. And again I going also. After Gurudev class, again to market collection and 1-2 hours. Hard work. Service. Actually, I am saying that I have sometimes I have no time to read Granth. So sometimes I am not sleeping. Night time. I am reading Granth. 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Every day Gurudev gave instruction. Every brahmachari have to chant 64 rounds holy name. Understand? Sometimes I have no time. That time just I write the slokas on my hand and left hand. And pedaling the cycle and reading Dharma Khatri, Kuru Khatri, Samavita, Ajutsava, Mamaka Pandavaschaiva, Kema, Krupata Sanjaya. Because in Gurudev, he will ask, you learn slokas or not? Otherwise slap and twist here. So for this, I am cycling and reading. हम श्लोक श्रीमद् भागवतम है सतंग प्रसंगात मम वीर्यो संविदो भवन्ते हेत कारण रसायन कथा तज्जोसनात् आसु अपवर्ग वर्तमनि श्रद्धारते भक्ति रोनुक्रमे सति श्लोक most of the time I wrote my hand with that and painting and house to house this time is very what is called hottest month May and June but still every day I used to go outside house to house begging one rupee. That time 1 rupee is very rare 50 paise understand still my also this copies they are giving and sign 50 rupees 50 rupees no what is it 50 paise 50 paisa and 1 rupee So this is why I'm saying because you serve Guru and Krishna and do bhajan and sadhana, then automatically come. Are not servicing Guru, just eating, sleeping, how possible you receive the mercy? Understand? You learn sloka, shastra. So always I inspire. Learn sloka. Then understand. His fake or stupid nonsense. And shastra. And chanting holy name, the realization will come. Two things. The knowledge of shastra. Then coming a realization, anubhuti. Shastra, Bhagavat, self-realization. Do you understand? Good. You know? So today you what program? What is it? No. Because Nityananda is Baladev. Nityananda mixed with Srimati Radhika. Hare Krishna means Radha Krishna. Radha ji. Nityananda Baladev is not. So you separate. You can chant this. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. They separate then. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. You cannot mix with Nityananda with Radha. Understand? I don't understand tomorrow.
Повторяйте, а потом махамантру отдельно. Игорь его